She's never doing this again.
Okay, let's go.
Bro's system totally crashed out. Bro's confidence disappeared instantly. Bro used the smart strategy. Everyone enjoyed the vomit together. He instantly regretted sitting there. She got traumatized instantly.
English or Spanish?
Baby, you got something in your nose. Sniffing that K, did you feel the hole?
Bro accepted his true self.
Oh my god!
I'm actually gay. I'm gay. I'm sorry I lied to you, Daniel. I'm actually gay.